I'm your art teacher is back with new art activity for you. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you about mandala art. Today we will do mandala art. So first I'll tell you what is mandala art. The meaning of the word mandala in Sanskrit is circle. Like this, circle. It is a geometric configuration of symbols with a very different applications. Basically, mandala art is an ancient art. It is used as a map representing. And mandala is a spiritual and ritual symbols in Hinduism and Buddhism. In New Age, the mandala is a diagram, chart or geometric pattern. So, this art can be painted on paper, wood, stone, cloth or even on a wall also. So, basically mandala is a circle. Okay. So, we can paint, we can make painting in circle or we can make rangolis also. Okay. So, are you ready? For this mandala art, we require few things. One, black sheet. I'm using here black sheet. You can use any dark sheet, canvas or anything. And colors. I'm using here acrylic colors. You can use poster color also, watercolor. And we can use any tool for this painting. Okay, I'll tell you what tool we are going to use. We will use earbuds, toothpicks, brush. We can use pencil also. This pointed part, this one, anyone. Okay. So first I shown you this thing. This is a CD circle and you can see so many dots are here and it's looking beautiful. So this is called mandala art. We will do this type of mandala art on this paper. We can make anything with this mandala art. We can make rangoli or any painting. Like if you want to draw elephant, you can draw big elephant and you can do mandala art on that drawing. Okay, so I will do mandala art on this page. This is dark sheet, so we have to use light colors for our painting. To mandala art we can say dot painting also, because we make this painting with dots. Now you can see I am putting dots and I am using toothpick. Carefully put your dots on the sheet on equal distance and dots should be equal in size like this. In one circle you can make one size dot. In next circle you can change size of dots and colors also. On black background or dark background we have to use light colors. We can do this art on light base also. While doing this art on white base we have to use dark colors. We can give this art to different patterns also. Now again I'm using earbud. You can see, turning my sheet and doing like this so our sheet will not spoil. Now I'll give different pattern. It's very easy and it looks very beautiful. You will see after completing this art, its outlook will come very beautiful, amazing. You can use different tools. Brush also, you can use brush also to put dots. On canvas, on stone, you can do this art. Now this painting is going to be complete. Our mandala art, or you can say our dot painting, is ready. It's done and it's looking beautiful, amazing, and it's very easy too. Okay, now I'll show you more examples. Now you can see this is CD and I have done this mandala art on this CD. And look, this is a bottle and it's looking beautiful, amazing. I have done different mandala art, different patterns here, circles. And first I have done yellow color in base, then I did with dark shade. This work with dark shade. With dot painting, it's looking beautiful. You can do this art on stone also, on paper. You can use poster color. On bottle or CD, you have to use acrylic color because acrylic colors are long lasting. I hope you like this video, this art. In next video, I'll bring more creative learning for you. Okay, bye-bye.